This is our first Kids Vid vlog.
We're at Sawgrass Lake Park and we're gonna see if we could find some alligators. We're looking for alligators right now. Let's see. Not any on the right. I can't see any on the left.
We're heading into this big bush. See you later.
Run.
We're going to the overlook tower and we've heard that there's some alligators over there, but this place didn't turn out as a bush. It turned out as loads of trees. That's it.
There's some brown leaves here and some green leaves here. It's so cool. I can't believe it. And look, there's even a spider web.
Guys, we finally found a gator.
I can see a baby gator in the water, and it's so tiny. Look. Oh, hi,
I see a gator, some dragonflies, and tags. What happened? It snapped.
Check. There's nobody down here.
Okay, so we just got done with looking at the alligator because it was starting to get boring and all these people came over, so we're gonna go see if we can see some other gators.
Yeah, we are gonna do that. Anyway, let's go, guys.
This pale green moss is Spanish moss, and it is very gray. I don't think it's pale green at all, but my brother said it was.
Guys, we have come to a stop here and we found the sign that says feeding wildlife is strictly prohibited. Because I think it's because you might feed the animals crackers or a goldfish or gummy bears, so that's why we shouldn't do that. Those things are not good for animals, so you should never do that.
Okay, so I see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 baby alligators. There's 2 over here. There's 1 right here, and there's 4 over here. It is so cool. Look, there's one moving. Look up here. Look, there's baby alligators. See, there's one on the side. Oh, and there's 3 right there.
There's 4 over. There's 4 down there.
No, there's
got
8.
4 already.
There's
so
8 down there.
Oh, I see.
We saw 8 alligators.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. I wish mommy could see this right now.
How big is that one?
So big. And plus there's one right over there. Look. Oh my gosh. I am so scared.
Is it scary?
Louie! Louie! Louie, come here! Come here quickly! Quick! Quick! Move!
Big one, Louis.
Look at that one! Look at it!
Over here, this side. Come to this side.
Louie, come to
That
this side.
makes 10 alligators.
Louie, come see.
Whoa, we saw 9 already, but that makes 10.
I'm in water right now. I've seen them years ago. No, you're not playing on my phone. A couple of decades ago. You're gonna learn how to
Are you glad we came?
nature.
Oh yes. Look at that. Mommy is gonna be so jealous.
Coming.
Daddy, what did you
Oh my gosh. It's gonna go now.
The alligators try to eat the crap out of fish. Bobby! Where is he? It just ate a fish. Did it really just eat a fish? Bye, Mommy.
This is the biggest alligator I've seen ever.
We've seen 10, and the
Actually,
10th one is the
14.
biggest.
14.
They're not hungry. They're not
And
hungry.
we saw
They're not hungry.
we saw how fun was your time at this place?
It was really fun.
I know, right? It was so much fun.
I only saw 10, but you saw 15.
I think we actually saw a bit of trees and a lot of baby alligators. This was a lot of fun. I can't wait to.
Yeah, next time we come, we should find some raccoons.
I know, maybe we will. What if we see every single animal on that chart?
Oh, that'll be hard to do.
I know. But we've seen like a raccoon. No, we haven't.
Okay, let's go home. Oh, bye guys. Bye.
Subscribe now for more Animal Kids Vids.